Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, magluluto tayo ng fried rice. Simple lang po ang recipe na ito. So, ang mga sangkap na ating kakailanganin ay pork or chicken, sibuyas, spring onions, siling espada, bawang, nor seasoning, soy sauce, margarine, at cooked rice. So first, igisa muna natin ang bawang, sibuyas, spring onions at siling espada. Kapag luto na ito, i-add natin ang meat. You can use any meat that you want. Pagkatapos, lagyan natin ito ng nor seasoning at soy sauce. Kapag luto na ang pork, maaari na nating i-add ang ating rice and mix well. Then, lastly, i-add na natin ang margarine and mix well again. So, ito na ang ating fried rice. It's super quick and easy. Maaari nyo rin itong gawing pang business at tiyak magugustuhan ito ng inyong mga customers. So, once again, it's me, Charmaine. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.